Hello everyone, it's your little legal helper Rudra Pratap Dubey. Friends, in this video, I will let you know about the concept and the objectives of mirror order. We will know what exactly is a mirror order in brief and in very simple language. So guys, basically this mirror order is related to international custody of child. In some cases, when a court allows a child to shift to a foreign country, it may impose a condition that a parent who is in the jurisdiction of the foreign country should obtain a similar order from a competent court of that foreign country, and such an order is called a mirror order. This procedure is undertaken to ensure that courts of the foreign country also know about the case and ensure the protection of the child. This concept of mirror order was recently used by Honorable Supreme Court in Smriti Madan Kansagra versus Perry Kansagra case. It was a civil appeal where 3-judge bench of Supreme Court gave custody of the child to his father, who was residing in Kenya. So now let's talk about the objectives of mirror order. While explaining the objectives of mirror order, the court stated that its object is to safeguard the interest of the child in both the jurisdictions and to make sure that both the parents are equally bound in each state. A mirror order also ensures that the country to which the child is shifted is aware of the arrangements made in the country of origin, and it also helps the person who is losing the child in ensuring that visitation rights are not impaired. The court also in his judgment stated that the concept of mirror order was originated in English courts. In the court's opinion, it was the most effective way of achieving protective measures that were put in the place. In the judgment, Honorable Court also explained that the decision passed by the court where primary jurisdiction was exercised would not be binding on the court where the child is being transferred, but will have a strong persuasive value. So I hope guys the concept of this topic is clear to you now. For detailed judgment, you can refer to Smriti Madan Kansagra versus Perry Kansagra, Civil Appeal number 3559 of 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.